Hello, 4th graders. Welcome to Lesson 4.1, Estimate Quotients Using Multiples. Please pause to write the lesson number and title in your notebook. Today's lesson objective is I can use multiples to estimate quotients. Please pause again to write the lesson objective in your notebook. Let's begin by reading the Unlock the Problem. It says, the bakery made 110 pumpkin muffins. They will be packed in boxes with 8 muffins in each box. About how many muffins will there be? Okay, well, it says we're going to use multiples to estimate. So this word about and estimate tell me both that I'm not finding an exact answer, but a estimate. And we're going to use multiples. So a multiple is a number of a product, like a counting number, like 1, 2, 3, 4, and we can do that for each number. So I could have multiples of 4 would be 4, 8, 12, 16, and so on. So it's our counting numbers, like we're counting by the products of that number. Alright, so we're going to use multiples and our factor of 8 to count how many times it takes us to get 8 close to 110. So our counting number, 1, and then it's like we're multiplying by 8. 1 times 8 is 8. 2 times 8 is 16. 3 times 8 is 24. 4 times 8 is 32. 5 times 8 is, let's fill in the blank, 40. 6 times 8 is 48. 7 times 8 is 56. 8 times 8 is 64. 8 times 9 is 72. 10 times 8 is 80. 11 times 8 is 88. 12 times 8 is 96. And 13 times 8 is 104, and 14 times 8 is 112. And we're going to stop there because remember we wanted to get to 110. And I'm going to fix this here really quick. That was 48. There, now we can read it. Alright, so now that we know all of our multiples, we wanted to know how close we could get 8 to 110. So 104 is pretty close, and 112 is pretty close. So down below it says 13 times 8 is 104, and we know that because we looked on this chart here. And then 14 times 8 is 112. So the answer, 110, is between 104 and 112. So 110 divided by 8 is between 13 and 14. But since 110 is closest, it's closest to 112, because that's only 2 off, so 110 is divided by 8 is about 14. So there will be about 14 boxes of muffins. Alright, let's use multiples again to estimate division. This time we're going to divide 196 by 4. So it says, think what number is about 4 times 196. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to list our multiples of 4 to see how close we can get. So we have 4, 8, 12, 16. Our next one is 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, and 40. Alright, well we went 6 multiples. And are any multiples close to 196? No, our biggest one was 40. Alright, so it said if I multiply these multiples by 10, then my product will be much larger, so I'll be able to get closer to 196. So instead of multiplying 4 times 1 and getting 4, I'm going to multiply 4 times 10 and get 40. So 4 times 20, this is just like we practiced. 4 times 2 is 8, and then add a 0. 4 times 3 is 12, and add a 0. 4 times 4 is 16, and add a 0. 4 times 5 is 20, and add a 0. Okay, so now we're much closer to 196. 160 and 200 are both close to 196. So, we know that our quotient is about 50 times 4 is closest to 200, so that's closest to 196. So 196 divided by 4 is about 50. We will continue to practice this tomorrow in class. You're almost finished. When you're sure you understand this lesson, go back to your teacher's website and complete the exit slip. See you tomorrow.